Verizon Wi-Fi Calling lets you make calls over Wi-Fi instead of cellular signals. If it's not working, the problem usually stems from three key areas: eligibility, IMS registration, or your router. First, ensure you have a compatible Verizon plan, typically a postpaid plan. Prepaid users may also be eligible through the Verizon app. Next, your phone needs to be compatible, like iPhone 6 or later, or most Android flagships. An active SIM card is also required. Finally, Wi-Fi calling relies on Verizon's IMS servers to register your device. If registration fails, you won't be able to use the feature. Also, rule out basic issues like device restarts or airplane mode being enabled. If your plan and device are compatible, focus on IMS and your router. For IMS issues, reset your phone's network settings. Android users can also dial 46366 to check for carrier updates. Regarding your router, it needs to support protocols like SIP and RTP. Open ports 500 and 4500 for secure connections. Enable QoS to prioritize voice traffic. Use a dual-band router, preferring the 5 GHz band. Mesh systems can cause problems, so ensure your router firmware is up to date and doesn't block necessary ports. If problems persist, contact Verizon support.